Hey, I'm Chris and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long while, but here we are, dusted it off and starting it up again with this unboxing of the Aoshima Skyline GTR R34 patrol car. So as this is my last project for the Aoshima Ambassador program for the year 22 into 23, I wanted to do something I enjoy building. I've built quite a few R34s, but something different, and here we are, something very different as a patrol car. Just looking at the box art, as usual, the styling of the Aoshima boxes is beautiful, and I really like this box because the black and the gold, it just looks really nice, really classy. But yeah, I really like it. But let's get inside, let's see what there is. So starting off, we'll look at the instruction booklet, and we have got the usual detailed Aoshima booklet. The good thing about this kit, it actually comes with two sets of water slides for two different types of police liveries as such. So I'll do a little bit of research and see what's what. I don't know if it's just because one's V-Spec 1, one's V-Spec 2, or if it's different areas as such. I'm not sure, but we'll look into that. It looks like the base kit is just an R34 GTR kit, just with a few little additions. And what I do really like is when we go back in the interior, you've got all the police radio and little additions like that. That looks pretty cool. So yeah, it just looks like a standard R34 base kit with a few little extras. And after building, as previously mentioned, a few R34s already, I know the fitment will be fine. Some little police additions there for the front bumper and for the grille and whatnot. You got a choice of the V-Spec 1 or the V-Spec 2 vented hood, bonnet, depending on where you're from. And there we are, the final assembly, and then we get to all the light fittings and for the patrol car. I'm really looking to putting this all together and seeing how it looks. The pictures look great, the model looks great, but it'd be nice just to get myself get my own hands onto it, and yeah, I'm just really looking forward to getting this one put together. But I'm not rushing it. Not going to rush it, not at all. So another little favourite thing of mine is the Aoshima kits come with the masking window sets, and they've also come with the body window sets for this one. So I'm quite happy with that. And as we see here, as you see the different types of the police patrol decals. So yeah, I'll look into that, see what's what. And there's the body masks to mask it off. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this, especially now I'm using an airbrush. And again, one of my favourite additions to any kit, window seal mask. So getting round to the parts, here we've got the 19-inch wheels and the chrome sprue. I've actually already taken the brakes off and the exhaust parts off, and I've already stripped the chrome off them, so I can paint them up myself, get my own colours on them. But as usual, looking good on there. And the rear light setup, I love that these come as coloured plastic, makes life much easier. And then we have the underbody of the chassis, and a lot of it's moulded in, but it's not an issue. And as you can see, it's quite clean and it's still quite detailed. And here we've got some of the body parts. As you can see there, the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the two different types of bonnet for the V-Spec 1, V-Spec 2 vented. The actual vent is solid, so I might try and cut into that, make it actually vented. The boot spoiler, a little bit of mesh, quite handy to have. The nice low profile tyres and the actual springs for the suspension. I love Aoshima kits come with these actual springs, it makes it so much better. So now we get onto the body. Like I said before already, it's just a base R34 kit with a few little police additions. So I know it's just going to be fine. And looking over this, the mould lines are so tidy, so clean, and you can just see where the light shines there. It just runs across the roof lid there, and down the side and down the back, just there again, if you can see in the light reflection, a little bit of mould line. It's nothing too much trouble to get rid of at all. And as you can see in the body, looking around it, it's so clean, so tidy, and what more can you ask for when you're opening up a body? A box, should I say, not a body. It's a clean body, not have to do too much work on it. So this is the bag with the clear parts in it, the windows, the headlights, and some of the lights surrounding the number plate, and I think for the bumper. As you can see, nice and clean and tidy, as everything else is. So quite happy with that, and they'll stay in the bag until needed. So So here's the additional police parts sprue, patrol car parts sprue. So that you can see there the radio, the housing for the lights at the top there, and you know, some of the aerials antennae, and you know, there's a rear view mirror there looking across the top. Like I say, you've got the police radio, and across here you've got some you've got the strap for the handpiece on the radio, and there's, I think they're like the bumper. I think there'd be some red parts to go on for like the bumper lights as such. First time working on a patrol car, so I'm not very familiar with it as of yet, but we'll soon get into that, and then we'll soon figure out what's what. And there's some chrome parts just to the top left there. That's like looks like a gold patrol police badge as such. That's come off and that's been stripped. Everything else will stay chrome because it'll be inside this red part for the top of the patrol light housing. I'm really pleased that that's come as a red part actually, so it saves me from trying to paint it up. And for the final part is this clear part that goes on the front of the bonnet. So anyway, thanks for watching. I can't wait to get stuck into this. Keep your eyes peeled for a progress video. Thanks very much. Cheers.